Hello, everyone. It's about that time. The holidays are approaching, and I have some recipes to share with you all. So stay tuned for my holiday recipes.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
Hello, everyone. How y'all doing on this nice, beautiful day? Today we're making some delicious candied sweet potatoes, y'all. Yes, these are oven baked, and I wanted to share my recipe with y'all. Okay, let's get started. Here we are peeling our sweet potatoes. I'm using a peeler, and I'm also going to show my way of using a knife, but a lot of people love using these peelers, and I'm not a fan of it, but I'm showing you how it's done. My husband, he loves using it, but I'm going to show you my way as well. If you're a little skeptical about using a knife, just use the peeler, okay? My way does look better, doesn't it? Now it's time for us to cut up our sweet potatoes. You can cut these as thick or thin as you prefer. I prefer mine a little on the thinner side so they can cook evenly and they're not just a big chunk. But you make these the way you prefer, okay? Like I always say, make this recipe yours. We are about finished slicing them up. Uh, Another tip I'm going to let you know, you can cut these in half, the slices in half, so they can fit better on your plate. Um, but it's just a suggestion. Letting y'all know I did end up slicing mine in half. I didn't show you all me slicing them, but you will notice them at the end of the video. Here we are placing our sliced sweet potatoes in our bowl. I'm going to take these to the sink and rinse them off a little bit and let them sit in the water until it's time for me to use them again. Okay? Here I'm showing you all our ingredients that we will be using to make our candied sweet potatoes. Here I'm showing you our sliced sweet potatoes. We have salt, we got ground cinnamon, we have brown sugar. We will also be using white sugar. And we got 2 sticks of butter and some nutmeg. If you don't have the nutmeg, you can also use allspice and vanilla extract. Okay, y'all, these are all our ingredients. So let's get to making our candied sweet potatoes. Okay, in our bowl, we are placing our white sugar. I'm only using a half a cup of what starting out, but I'm going to end up using another half a cup, okay? And then we're also adding in our brown sugar. And we're going to use 1 cup of brown sugar. I'm using a half a cup measuring cup. That's why y'all seeing me putting 2. And we're mixing it together. Next, we're adding in our salt, cinnamon, and now our nutmeg. Here I have melted our 2 sticks of butter. Now we're adding our vanilla extract to our melted butter. Now we're mixing them together. We are placing our sliced sweet potatoes into our casserole dish. We are mixing our dry ingredients all together, and then we're sprinkling them onto our sliced sweet potatoes. My. Saying that was a tongue twister, y'all. I didn't add all our dry ingredients. I'm going to add them later. Here we're adding our butter. And we're mixing them in as evenly as we can. And now I'm adding the rest of our dry ingredients. And we're going to mix these up as best as we can. Now it's time to place these in a 350-degree oven, and we're going to start out with 30 minutes. Here I'm removing, the excess sugar that's around my casserole dish because it will burn, and so that's why I'm just trying to move as much as I can from it. Now we're placing a sheet of foil onto our casserole dish. We're going to start this off like this, but then later we're going to remove it after we check them the first time, okay? Now it's time to place it in the oven. Okay, our 30 minutes is up, and so we're removing the foil. Here we're mixing our sweet potatoes and our syrup. Show you how this sugar and butter makes syrup. And so we're mixing this up and, trying to make sure they bake evenly. And so I'm showing you our syrup. See how our syrup is coming about? Yes. If you want thicker syrup, add more sugar. This syrup will become more thicker as it bakes, and especially when it cools. So make this recipe yours. Okay, we're going to place these back in the oven with no foil. We're going to bake these for another 30 to 35 minutes, depending on the tenderness that you prefer. Okay, our candied sweet potatoes are ready, and we're going to give them a last quick stir. Let y'all know these sweet potatoes turned out so delicious. So comment below and let me know, what would you serve with your candied sweet potatoes for the holidays? Okay, y'all, this is our final result. I hope y'all enjoyed cooking with me as much as I always enjoy cooking with you all. I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all, stay safe, and be blessed. Y'all, these sweet potatoes were so delicious and they was full of flavor. And I hope y'all enjoyed my recipe. Letting y'all know that I did serve mine with some collard greens and some sliced barbecue brisket. You didn't get to see my cornbread, but y'all, everything was so delicious. Happy holidays from me, Miss Brenda D, and my family.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
That's a hit!